And the last thing on email marketing, this is a bonus, and is all about marketing and email automations. Now, these can be brilliant. They can also help you to help your customers and your contacts, potential customers who are on your email list, feel included. So I have two very straightforward automations that I use in MailerLite. The first one is when somebody signs up through my website, gets onto my email list, they get a thank you for joining the list email, which also then points them to my YouTube channel to check out my weekly videos on developing your business in some way, shape, or form. So they've got thanks for joining, and then an invitation to get that little bit more involved. But that could be an invitation to follow you on Facebook, for example, or Insta, TikTok, whatever. But always try and get this automation underway. Thanks for joining. By the way, check us out over here. Come and follow us. The next one I have is every time I send out an email that has a link to a blog post or a YouTube video, I set up an automation encouraging people to either subscribe to my YouTube channel or asking them if they'd like a bit of help with the subject matter of the email and just to then get in touch. Again, it's another personalized touch. It's not difficult to do once you get the hang of the platform, and it makes your contacting customers feel included, feel like you're on their side. And also it then boosts your, the presence of you in the mind of your customers and contacts. So two simple automations. Thanks for joining the list. And if they click on a link in an email, then yes, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Or if you'd like some help with this particular topic in your business, then make sure to come back to me. This is what I do and I can help. So yes, a couple of great quick ideas for you there, and just run with it. Got questions? Please ask.